is hot. We're just waiting for the shuttle bus to take us to the ride share area. You guys, look how close that is. Clearly you can't see me because it's nighttime. It's been a few hours since we got off our flight and we're still waiting for the rental. We're at the people's place and I painted my nails for it, so I'm gonna get it. Here it is, finally, the 2019 wide body Scatpack. There's Ronica in there. Everybody hates on these, but I absolutely love the yellow bumper guards, and oh, the new look to it looks super duper nice, and it's in Destroyer Gray. And let's do a nail check. Perfect match. We have a long drive to San Diego right now. Let's hear this thing start up. Ready? Damn! Oh, there's a reason why the tire pressure is literally completely different numbers on every single tire. Look, he has literally no tread. Look at this view. Why is my video so bad? But this is so pretty. Look at this. And good morning, guys. We are in San Diego. We are fully charged today and I have a bunch of energy, even though I'm talking very softly. COD point of view, COD point of view. Let me just place these here real quick. I guess I did also want to mention that my cousin also got a Destroyer Gray Charger, which is super sweet. Kind of missing the wide body, but this is the new 2019 option for the Scat. Check out this cool fountain. Perfect match. That's what I think. All right, let's head on in and start this thing up. Damn! Damn! This is where the key goes. Miss Girl over here forgot to bring her homework, even though I told her we're gonna be doing homework while we're there. I haven't been vlogging much at all today because I've been coding all day, but I'm gonna go grab In-N-Out with my sisters and my cousin. Get in the back. Hell yeah! Oh my god! So we just pumped some more air in the tires. We're probably gonna go get it plugged or something because I feel like we're taking care of the car way more than actually having fun with it, which sucks, but okay, looking back at yesterday's footage, wow, I was super boring, but hop in the passenger seat of the Scat. We're gonna have a good time. So we're gonna be going to TJ Hunt's and Throttle's shop. I'm just gonna stop by real quick. I'm gonna say hi. We're probably gonna make a couple TikToks and then I'm gonna get back and do my homework. You guys see this? I barely even left the driveway and it's at 17 PSI. Like, oh my gosh, this is... Well, finding the hole wasn't hard at all. You guys can see it's literally right over here. So we have a little bit of a setback, so I gotta go get this tire plugged because as you can see, the nail is right there and you can even hear it going down. So I'm gonna pump some air in it and then go get it plugged and then be on my way to the shop. Let's quickly start up the car so we can get some power. Now we're gonna pump this. So it's up at 22 and now I'm just waiting a little bit longer and then we should be good to go. It's about to go up to 30, but I'm gonna stop it right now. We're getting the tire all fixed up and then we're on to Starbucks and then the shop. We are finally out of the tire place. I'm at Starbucks and then I have a 20-minute drive to TJ's place. I am so out of it, like you don't even know, but hopefully Starbucks will make me feel just a little bit better. So I have made it, and as you can see, there's the beautiful RX-7, and currently TJ Hunt and his friend are installing a turbo on the Supra, and they're right over there.
Yeah, absolutely. Ooh. Too low. So there's two options. One, we just accept anything, probably for now and fix later. Or two,
I'm gonna pee my pants.
you need the bathroom? Go past the fish tank and then go out.
Oh, okay.
It's only close. Alright, so we just primed the system, took out these so that we have no spark in the car, and now we're going to have the car turn on and explode. I mean,
I'm going to start it and then come out and look at it, or just try to sit in
yeah,
and face the water.
What is he looking for? The keys? Oh, they're here. Keep moving forward.
Seven. Not whistling anymore.
I know. Later,
it wasn't 10
we did
hours.
the TikTok.
It was like
10 minutes.
5 hours. Maybe.
True. But we got it. We got it set stone. Now he knows the dance like the back of his hand.
Kind of.
Right? Do it. Do it right now. I'll sing for you.
Yo, bitch.
Corvette, Corvette. Hop in the jet like that. Something I don't know the dance.
Wash my hands.
Dance. Dice roll. Talk. Dice roll. Da, 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 da.
I do got
there
it.
There you go. Alright guys, so we finally filmed our TikTok and now, oh, he's bringing it in here. TJ's bringing in his C8. We just got home from TJ Hunt and Throttle's garage. My car is breaking. I don't even think it's gonna make it another day, so I think I'm gonna turn it in and grab another car because you guys don't understand. This car is like misfiring like crazy. I stopped in the middle of the intersection. It wouldn't even turn on. I just want to tell you guys, basically TJ Hunt's turbo is in the Supra and everything's all set up, and I was kind of vlogging, not really, and he was really telling me like I need to do a better job at vlogging, and I so agree, but like I just obviously don't know how, and it obviously comes with practice, but like having like the car guy teach you how to vlog is amazing. So I'm gonna go back there and I'm gonna be vlogging, but I'm gonna be vlogging like professional style and making it look all nice and clean, other than like all of my little edits and how I like have these weird talks at random times, not updating you guys throughout the day and stuff. Good morning guys. So another day, another problem. Seriously. This Challenger is getting towed today. It's a mess. It sounds like a lawnmower. Do you guys hear it? Let me push it a little bit so you guys can hear it. Listen. It sounds like a lawnmower. Like it's so bad. But I'm gonna be returning it, and I'm gonna be getting a Mustang 5.0, which I've never driven, so that's gonna be pretty exciting too. But like, listen. Like it's not supposed to sound like that. Here I am. Currently in timeout because I'm a bad kid, and why do I look so bad? But anyways, the Mr. Mopar right over here is about to get towed. Everybody left me to go have some nice brunch at like a 5-star restaurant. Ooh. And they're here giving the keys back. That sounds so bad. But it's getting towed. RIP to the Scat. Took 2 days for it to break. He's like, what the hell? It's gone. No, 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 no. All the way on the edge. My cousin's like, I gotta snap this. No! Well, on to another Mopar. No, I'm just kidding, that's not mine. But I'm getting a Mustang.